naging inspiration ko siya on how to like handle my bullies back then nung elementary ako.
Jackie Chan. For some reason, yun yung palagi nasa TV namin. Doon ako namulat talaga. Mababaw yung sagot ko dahil nagustuhan ko lang talaga yung movies niya.
Ryan Higa. I was watching it nung bata pa ako and then sabi niya, para ma-counter attack niya yung mga nambubuli sa kanya, ang ginawa niya is that sinabayan niya. So he was the first person to bully himself para yung power makuha niya dun sa mga nambubuli sa kanya. Kasi ako nung bata ako, I was being bullied because I'm a morena. The moment that I saw that video, I applied it to myself. Nag-stop na sila kasi nakuha ko rin yung power from them. I just let them know na I'm not insecure about my skin tone and parang you cannot use it against me.
Siyempre parents. Tribute to the parents. They're the inspiration. They're the ones who supported us and they're the ones who believed in us. Another hero is my wife. Yeah. I wouldn't be here without her. So, very serious question. Dapat nandun lagi yung asawa mo. So,
if familiar kayo with PewDiePie, he's retired and he lives in Japan and honestly, he's living the best life right now. Nakaka-inspire kasi he started as being a hot dog salesman in Sweden. He grinded for like a long time on YouTube, like posting every day, to the point now na he's so comfortable that he's retired at 30 plus. Fuel and inspire me to parang kaya ko din na even if it'll take a while, like as long as I keep trying, I can, you know, reach my goals or reach the comfortability that he has.
Siguro I consider my parents. Wala naman tayo siguro pag wala sila, di ba? So, and all of the sacrifices that they made for us. Kung magiging superhero ako, probably si Jajo Zaturna, kung kilala niyo siya. Di ba? Si Jajo Zaturna is one of the first LGBT superheroes in Southeast Asia. Mabuhay ang mga bading.
Buhay!